In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix SteelSeries Arctis Nova 1 mic not working. The first thing that you want to do is to check for physical connection, making sure that the USB or the plug that we are using works perfectly. You also want to check for physical damages on the cable itself on the headset. From there, let's head over to our device, and then you want to click on the volume icon, right click on it, click on open sound setting. From here, navigate through the input section, which is going to be this one, and you want to make sure that you have selected the right mic input. In our case, it's going to be the SteelSeries Arctis Nova. If you cannot see it right here, it means that the device is simply disabled. To fix that, click on the sound control panel, click on recording options, and from here, once again, you then want to look for the microphone, which is the SteelSeries Arctis Nova. So in my case, it's going to be this one. I'll just right click on it. You want to make sure that it says disabled. This means that it is enabled or it is currently enabled. If it says enabled, that means that the microphone is currently disabled. So just make sure that the microphone is ready to use. Click on the set default option, and from there click on apply, okay, and you should be good to go. Now, as a last step, you want to navigate through the application that you want to use your microphone with. So in my case, let's say it's going to be Discord. I'll click on user settings, click on the microphone and sound, which is going to be inside right here, and then click on microphone and then choose the Arctis series microphone. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.